Don't hide now.
No.
Good morning. Look at your eye peeking out.
I got up at 6:30 and I said no. And I went back to sleep.
You should have just stayed up.
No.
I think I got up at 6:37.
I'm tired.
That's because you didn't move your body and get up yet and drink some water. I bet they still knocked out. I'm not even gonna try to go over there. Actually, I should.
Close that door.
They been closing their door the whole night. I mean, the whole time we been here. Like, who y'all think y'all are closing the door while you go to sleep?
Y'all married?
Right, like, what's that about? We sleeping with the door open. We got nothing to hide. I'm about to go over there and see. You think they're gonna get mad?
I don't care.
Okay. Alright, we're gonna go over there and see if Jada and Jordan up. I said, you think they're gonna get mad at me? Brittany said she don't care. So I'm going to name of Brittany if they try to say something to me. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. You want me to open your blinds? Okay, she said no.
What time is it?
About 7:30.
Why is sun shining so early?
They sun come out like about 6 or earlier.
That's when I get up, I be so confused.
Yeah, that's why I keep getting up early too. Like, I think they sun come out earlier.
I be thinking it's about 9 o'clock, but I look at the clock, it's 6.
Yeah, they sun come out real early.
Did y'all food ever come?
Girl, yes, finally, like at almost midnight.
Girl, I was dead. I just gave up because all the food that I wanted was closing like 9:40. They closed at like 10 o'clock.
Yeah, and they canceled me and Jordan first order.
Oh my goodness.
So we had to order from another place and wait another hour.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
DoorDash be cool.
Yeah. So here you can do what you want to do with this.
It's on?
Yes.
Oh, wow. I thought you turned it off. I need to get up. Oh, no. This is awful.
I did y'all's house.
Oh, good. Because we ain't had none. I'm hungry because I ain't eat last night. I just starved to death. I had sleep for dinner. I hope we get some breakfast because I'm really hungry. I just want something fruity. It's like every time I go out of town, I just be so bloated. Like, for no reason, my stomach just start expanding every time I'm out of town. I don't know if it's because, like, the environment is different, but I be bloated and junk. It is kinda ghetto, because, like, who wants to be bloated on vacation? Especially when you gotta wear clothes and a swimsuit. Nobody would do that. So, I guess that's why. But I'm hungry. There's Joe. You did? She did. Jordan, are you close to being ready?
Yeah.
Like walking out the door ready? Kiddos, we're
go eat, 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 eat.
Once again, I went out without a mask.
Oh, I guess I did too.
I guess we only have one more day here anyway.
Yeah.
It's like, if we were going to wear one, we would have consistently wore one.
Yeah.
I need a sister. Oh.
What do you need?
I need to hold up. Hold up. What tiny trash is down here?
Here you are, madam. Where are we going, guys?
Where are we going? Honey, what is it called? To breakfast. What is the place called?
Honey something.
Yeah. Uninhibited.
Honey uninhibited.
Yes.
Wow, that's a nice view of you right
Ground floor.
there.
Me? Oh, he's arriving in 1 minute.
Ah, perfect. Oh, we should have grabbed another battery. This one only got 2 bars left.
Oh, it's a sheep. It's Murray. Dang, that was fast.
We're just waiting on our lift to arrive at this moment. Or was it Uber?
It's Lyft.
Lyft.
What was you want to do makeup today? You said, just so y'all know.
Oh, she said that?
Yeah, she said yesterday, just so y'all know, I'm not wearing makeup today. She decided otherwise. I'm just saying she made a bold statement. Oh.
Sometimes you just get persuaded in your own mind and then you decide to do it. Did you put your sunscreen on?
Yeah, I was to break out hot.
I'm breaking out on top of it.
I'm breaking out on my face, on my neck. It's like,
I'm gonna put some hydrocortisone tonight.
so men of America. The way to flirt is to actually do something that the woman might like. Because previously, just a moment ago, we caught men staring at us And then 2 came up to us asking about us being on their TikTok. No. That's all I have to say about that.
Yeah. No. That's just so disgusting. And then they sat back down. They act like they were about to leave.
Also, don't look at women like a piece of meat. We don't like it.
Yeah.
Especially if we don't look like we want that kind of attention. Don't look at us like
Seriously.
that. Because do you want me to stare at you in your eyes until you love me? No one likes to be stared at, so please stop doing it. It's not cute, it's not attractive.
Are we smart? How insulting.
So we stupid. We cute and stupid. First of all, get your compliments together before you come step to a woman.
Literally.
Okay? And that's how I know you're a little boy. That's how I know.
Because a grown man would never.
He would never ask you
He
to be
wouldn't.
on his TikTok. He'd be like, can I buy you a dinner?
Can I pay for your food?
Because you know, the way to our heart is food as well. Y'all not the only one.
They're not the only ones. They think it's all about them. And
No, it's not. And I was already turned off. One, because I'm in a relationship. I'm happy. We love it here. Second of all, you looking at me like a piece of meat.
And it's disrespectful.
Like, all you want is a one-night stand. That's what you want. And that's what you were giving.
Clout.
Because you saw the camera.
Yep. Right. Yeah.
So, no.
Like, how many followers we got?
So men, please learn how to approach a woman. If you don't know how to, then don't. That means you're not ready. Thank you.
That's all that needed to be said.
Jordan, you have any comments?
I just don't understand how you can walk up to somebody who looks high class and treat them disrespectful. If you walk up to somebody high class, give them high class service, and don't approach me any kind of less. Even though I'm already taken, for all the riches that is not taken, please expect more.
No, you're
because when you don't expect more, they treat you like trash.
Yes. And please stop responding to cat calls. Don't even look. Walk the other way. We don't do that.
Because if he was good enough, he could have walked up to you and could have asked you.
They know
But I don't like that.
But you could have talked to any other female in there. Like,
Because it was a whole bunch of the host is cute. You could have talked to her.
Saw the camera.
Saw the camera.
Girls with cameras and that was dressed up. And you thought that would be the perfect opportunity.
like, we look elite.
This is right here.
We look elite. So it's like,
Yes.
what's with the low class?
I don't know. You can't.
The thing is, the camera is dead.
No,
So, yeah.
That's nice.
It's rolling.
Is it Nikon or
It's Canon.
Canon? Good choice.
And it's rolling. This is rolling.
Oh, that's rolling?
Yep, it's rolling.
We're going to pay right tours then, you know. She's here for a great tour, and she's amazing. And follow her on YouTube, bro. Like,
Wow.
you should do it. If you're not following her, then you should be leading. And if you're not leading, you should be following. It's roles reverse. If you're not leading, you're following. If you're following, you know, I confuse myself. Please delete this. I don't care.
Oh, we'll be using it. Thank you.
No, to be honest, how I see it is publicity. Publicity, whether good or bad, is still publicity. So
Yes.
as long as you're talking about pay right tours,
Right.
you don't have my name.
This is the Ben Affleck and Jennifer Lopez house. Jennifer Lopez, Ben Affleck. She just bought it recently for $40 million.
So, how was y'all experience?
Don't get my booze on. I think the activities was fun. I just want to say that people of Miami, y'all need to do some self-reflection. There should be no reason why y'all so rude and entitled.
Oh God, we didn't even tell them about the boat. You about to tell them about the boat?
Girl.
No, I don't have the stomach, but you can. But I just feel like when you die, you ain't taking this money with you. You're not gonna be who you are here when you die in your grave. Ain't nobody gonna care no more. So that's all I gotta say. Get your attitude together. But the experience, as far as like the boat ride and the brunch, that was fun. I enjoyed myself. But to the rest of y'all,
Unfortunately, our camera died while we were out, so we didn't get to film on the camera.
because the mic is fixed.
And I'm against the light. Unfortunately, the camera died while we were out, so we didn't get to get any camera footage of the boat, but we did do some vlogging on our phone, so we'll insert some clips of that. We had a really good time out on the boat. That was my first time on a boat for real, so I really enjoyed that. We got to see some celebrity homes. It was Will Smith's home, Rihanna's home, and I think these were like vacation homes. Who else home was it? P. Diddy, J-Lo, Ben Affleck, what's the Spice Girl? Victoria Beckham, Antonio Banderas, the Estebans, Jackie Chan, Frank Sinatra.
Dude that made Viagra.
The man that created Viagra and also owns IMAX. His house was crazy. Didn't they say he had the biggest house on there or something like that? Crazy. It's just crazy how people are out here living like this, with mansions on the water with boats in the back and jet skis. It just kind of blows my mind, but I'm thankful for what I have. I am thankful for what I have, because I'm sure it's a lot of other problems that come with them riches, so I'm thankful. What about you, Bri? How was your experience?
I'll hold up, because you're gonna get me not right.
I did. I tilted it and made sure I got your...
So the brunch was fine. Obviously, you saw about the dudes. Whatever. That's a typical. I feel like that's everywhere for the most
Especially that
part.
happened with us when we all together.
Yeah, when we all together. I don't know why men find that. I don't know. Whatever.
You would think they would find it more intimidating.
Yeah, you would think it is, but maybe we don't look intimidating.
There was 2 of them and 4 of us, so...
I don't know. Just whatever. Another day. What else? Yep. So then we went to the Bayside. Is it Bayside Park or is it called Baymont? Bayside. Yeah, and it's like an outdoor mall, like kind of Paramount Park kind of vibe. I don't know.
A lot of vendors.
Yeah, a lot of vendors. They had a bunch of like Miami tourist kind of souvenir things. So yeah, that was fun. The boat ride was fun. Met a lot of real people, like a lot of real people. I don't even know how to explain the incidents that we were a part of. It was like 2 main incidents. Yeah, just blatant disrespect. But it was like people on our like row, because we was on the back of the boat, and you know we were all feeling the same way. We agreed. But I also think they were tourists, so they weren't from Miami. So yeah, we kind of felt the same way. But yeah, it was great. I love being on the water. I told them I want to go jet skiing next time, and that should be fun. Or that they also have a hurricane speedboat where it takes you on tour, but it goes 45 miles per hour. That sounds fun. Yeah, I think we're just gonna chill right now. I need to charge my phone because I can't go anywhere without charging my phone and our battery. And just chill, because we're supposed to be going to the carnival, which is about 30 minutes away.
I'm getting some fried Oreos and turkey leg and some nachos on my daddy. On my daddy, y'all not about to stop me today. Not today.
Excuse me.
Yeah, tell them what you are and tell them.
Oh, whatever. So yeah, we're just hanging and chilling right now. No, I didn't do that bad on mine. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. I ain't got nothing else. I don't think. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join the Light Squad today. It's fun, it's free, and it is lit.
I came up with a new term that I was telling Jane about, called, instead of influencer, lightfluencer. Isn't that cool? Trademarked it here. Don't steal my junk. Lightfluencers. We're lightfluencers.
I guess. Thumbs up this video if you enjoy our travel vlogs, and comment down below where we should visit next. I mean, we're always looking for places to go that we've never been, and also where they have nicer people, if you know that for a fact, okay?
Probably Georgia.
I don't want to go to Georgia.
Louisiana?
Oh, I'm not going to Louisiana.
Texas.
Is they nice
Yeah,
down
they
there?
be like, when me and Mom went down there, it was like, hey, where y'all from? Where y'all from? They was nice. They got Southern hospitality in Texas.
Something like that. That'll work, I guess. But you would think in highly touristy areas that people are nicer.
Why would you think that?
Because people want people to tour. I mean, I guess most of the... True, but I guess most of the workers were nice.
Yeah.
Most of the workers is people that were serving. But the regular locals, no. 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 And I wonder if our Ubers would be better if we were from the Hispanic background.
But we could be. They wouldn't know.
Right, they wouldn't know. I guess we would have to just start speaking Spanish.
Yeah.
Next time we should learn more Spanish and then
Yes.
come back and see if we get the same.
Treatment.
Yes.
Yes.
¿Por qué? I don't know. Yeah, maybe we should do that. Okay. Yeah. So we're just chilling. That's about it. Just clip has been 7 minutes. We don't know how to act. We don't know how to act with an extra.
I know we have infinite battery, right? It's
Not
still
battery,
going.
you mean memory?
I mean memory. It's still going.
I know. Yeah, don't even say.
It hasn't even started going under 30 minutes yet.
Wow. Okay, that's it. We'll see you guys. I don't think we're going to sleep because that's not a good idea. Okay, we'll see you guys when we're ready to go. Bye bye.